Hey y'all, this is Mama. I'm going to be making some coffee can chocolate bread. So if you've got a tin coffee can, wash it, clean it. My husband saved coffee cans, and I'm so glad he saved this one because this size, it's hard to find. But he's got all kinds of them out in the garage. So, anyway, it's a pound coffee can. I'm going to take it and I'm going to spray cooking spray in it and work it around good, get it in all the grooves and stuff, and I'll be right back. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Some vanilla, about a teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of soda. 1/4 cup of cooking oil. 1 cup of water. Dash of salt. And now we're going to give this a good mix. I'll be right back. Now you want to prepare your can like I have. And I'm going to fill the can half full. No more than that because it'll come over the top anyway. And this recipe calls for 2 loaves or 2 cans. Well, maybe not. I correct myself if the recipe only calls for 1 can. Preheat your oven to 350. This is going to go on the middle rack, the middle of the oven, and bake for 1 hour. Now that it's finished, it come out good. I'm going to let it rest a minute and then I'll turn it upside down. Now it come out pretty, didn't stick nowhere. If you've got your metal coffee cans, hang on to them because they're good to bake bread in. have it. I like the end piece. Really good. Moist. And you can make any kind of bread in it. You can make yeast bread or just white bread or pumpkin bread, banana bread, any kind you want. Anyway, y'all have a good night and thanks for watching.